What is up, guys? We're back, and today we're going to be taking a little side project onto the Vic because we're out of argon on the welder, so we can't finish welding the manifold, but it is completely mocked up. So other than that, Will actually bought the chop saw and is helping me do the manifold for the van. So, and in return I got him a few things. It's not something he needs, but it is like something he kind of needs because that steering wheel in the Vic is garbage. We tried to pull it out a long time ago and ordered a cheap hub, and it just didn't work. So I went ahead, spent the money, got him the right hub, hopefully. A nice steering wheel, some gold titanium bolts. He should really like it, but I haven't told him yet, so we're gonna go in there, give him his stuff, see what he thinks, and get to installing the steering wheel. Let's get it.
Not us. This one first.
It don't matter. It's all the same shit. Finally.
God dang.
I mean, I hope it's the right one. I ain't even opened it. Is that an air freshener?
What?
Alright. Warm button, I'd assume.
Yeah, we ain't got the...
That's oval.
Oh shit, son. Is it that time?
Well, I mean, there was two different ones, as you know, and...
Yeah.
Like, it's hard to say which is which. Damn, that's big.
That's huge.
Yeah. Hopefully it fit. Oh, yeah.
Damn,
I mean, it probably ain't the one you wanted, so I just played it safe. Obviously. But I mean, feel it.
Exactly.
Just feel it. It blows my mind how light them things are.
That's light as...
You probably ain't gonna be able to wrench on it getting in and out, honestly.
I don't do that, man.
Alright.
I just kind of plop down.
Shoot.
The dish, deep dish.
Yeah, I couldn't find a flat, but it's a 320 instead of a 350.
Oh,
So, I think there's something else in that bag.
damn.
These are nice, boy. I love these steering wheels.
They are the sickest steering wheels for the money, for sure.
And it's real titanium. I swear. Them boys ain't cheap,
Yeah,
but they gold.
As much as one bolt.
It kind of weighs as much as the steering wheel, almost.
Yeah.
It's wild. But yeah, like I said, we tried to do this a long time ago. I think the hub's still over here, ain't it? Yeah.
Shitbox hub.
Show, boys.
That was a dark time in our life.
Yeah, it comes splined and all that. We tried to waller it out and make it the shape it needed to be, and it really just wasn't going to work, so we scrapped that idea. Unfortunately, I tried to find the files where we tried to do this a long time ago, and I cannot find them. So we already have the airbag removed out of this thing. There is other videos on YouTube for how to remove these things. They are a pain in the butt. I'll tell you that now, but you got to come up through. You can see this hole right here. Get her to focus for you, boys. There we go. Alright, you got a hole on each corner, and you got to stick like an Allen head or something thin up through there, which will push and release these locking tabs on here. And I mean, good luck with that. We tried, we ended up ripping it off. So today our lives should be a lot easier, and we should just be able to take this one center bolt out, yank that steering wheel right off, and slide this new hardware on. So let's get to it. So I don't know if we'll be able to successfully pull off like a 10-minute video with this, but we can try. Just hit it slow.
It's about to be longer than 10 minutes if it strips. What do you mean slow?
I was just, you know, we're good.
She gets 3 in hollow. Come on.
There it is. So this just slides off, right? Like, we had to do pull on it or something. It didn't take a puller. I'm pretty sure we got it off last time. Levi just yanked the hell out of it or something.
I don't remember how.
Maybe he hit each side. Something. Nope, that was weak. Alright, we're going to take a quick intermission, and we'll be right back with you. Air brace. Got to leg press this thing.
No chance.
God dang. She on there. Singing focus. Oh. Now obviously this thing probably needs a puller, but we're pretty strong. Oh, god dang. Hell yeah.
Just need a little wiggle.
You got the hub? Or is it? Yeet. Knocks the van off jack stands. Oh. About dropped it off. Yeah, boys, so if you're looking to put an aftermarket steering wheel in your Crown Vic, NRG got you with the hookup.
2003 plus.
Something like that. I'll put the number in the description below, but hell yeah.
The goal looked pretty good in here.
Guess you need more than one.
Who would have thought? And capture how good that gold looked.
My camera captures it really good. I don't know about a phone, but yeah, that
I'll
shit.
get my gut out the picture. Oh.
Alright, y'all, so there's the part number right there for these Crown Vics. It's shows it's a 90 to 04 Mustang hub. Just pay attention because there is two different hubs. I think it's a 190 or 174.
174, 179.
Yeah, 174 will not work, so make sure it's the 179 right there, and that'll have you taken care of. Also, the steering wheel, if y'all like them things, damn, that thing's zoomed in, boy. Sheesh. I also run one in the minivan here. I had one in the Lexus IS300 I had as well. I love these things. You can't beat them for the money. Dumb light. Like when you pick them things up, it'll blow your mind how light they are, but it really classes up a joint for sure. I'll show you. Highwell Sport steering wheels to be the best. I don't know about that, but they pretty nice for the money for sure.
Definitely pretty nice.
What's it smell like? Hell yeah. Oh,
Yeah, she's a little towed out. She's got that drift alignment in there.
so yeah, that video went way quicker than I expected it to. I mean, it is what it is. You literally it's a T50 bolt out of that thing, figure out how to get your airbag out, pull it off, fight with that, and everything just slides on, tighten it down. So that's gonna be it for this video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see some more, and until next time, peace.